I have an obstacle here. The air feed pipe, the airflow pipe to the bunker goes down the wall here, and it's right next to the path. When I built this pathway, I didn't know I was going to be in a wheelchair. So now I will have to extend the pathway 6 inches over to this side to make it easy for me to get past. Okay, here I am at the ramp. I got past the airflow pipe for the bunker. This will be my first time venturing into the back garden for over 12 months. I will be able to see what's been happening up here. It's too much effort and I can't make it up there on my own. I'm going to have to get some help. Alright, I'm up with a bit of help from Girly. I got about halfway and I couldn't make it. So at least I know that I'm going to have help getting up and down. Like get down here, getting up. So here I am. I'm going to scoot along the rest here. Have a look at what I haven't seen for so very long. When I get down to the end here, I'm going to have to try and turn around. Watch out. Okay, the end of the road.